Hi everyone, today we're going to see on how to add our Freestyle plugin page categories code as header, external header links. So here we have created this Augusta Freestyle page as shown. Now let us go to the navigation menu on the online store. Now let us create a menu named Augusta, which would contain, let's say, a dummy page URL slug called as /Augusta. So make sure this URL slug is not being used by any other page created on your domain. Now, as you can see, uh, I've tabulated all the categories that is supported by our plugin code. We have around 26 categories. So let me create header links for the first three: baseball, basketball, and soccer categories. So let's see how to do this now. The same way on the navigation main menu, let me create a new menu called as baseball, and slug also could be a dummy name called /baseball. And since I want it to be a drop down on the Augusta menu, I just pulled it a little bit right, so it comes like a folder structure. The parent is Augusta and the baseball is beneath. Similarly, I'm going to create for basketball and soccer. I'm going to add this and then once again create another menu called as soccer and dummy URL slug /soccer. Let me add that and let me save this menu. As you can see, the header has a new tab, new category called as Augusta. So let me view our home page, but you see still it is not showing on a header menu. So we have to go to the themes and then customize the header section. Let us go to the header section here and let me change this. Usually it won't be selected, but I had already selected this. So if we refresh this, the menu would actually appear in the header section. Like you see here on the page, Augusta is getting shown. So let me check the online store homepage again. If I click on any of the links, the page would not be found because we just created dummy pages. There's no actual page created for these specific categories. So let us solve this problem. Every domain has something called as URL directing. So here in Shopify, you can either import a redirects or actually create a custom one. Let me do this for the baseball. Once a user clicks on the /baseball reference, it should actually redirect to a sublimation code page, which is nothing but located on /pages/Augusta Freestyle. And then we have the specific code that you need to add on to our page redirect. That is $category name equal to baseball. Let me save this URL redirect. Let me back. Let me check. It's not getting updated. So let us come again and recheck. You see, it will take some time. Usually about 1.5 minutes to get displayed on the web browser. So the /baseball, whenever user references this slug, it redirects to the sublimation page to load the baseball category. So let us check it now. You see it gets redirected and the baseball category would now load. Yeah, the baseball category is getting loaded. So this is one method. Like I said, the other method is importing through a CSV file. So I'm going to delete this now for video reference. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to import this CSV file. For simplicity, I've downloaded this sample CSV file and I had updated all our data, Freestyle sublimation category data here and saved it in this file named URL redirects. So let me use this as a import now. I'm going to choose this file from my drive. Yeah, this file. Let me update it now. You see, it's asked for 26 redirects. So let me save. It will take some minutes to get this processed. Okay, it is finished now. Let me select it. It still does not show. So let me go back and come again. Yeah, the 26 URL redirects are present. So let us load our home page now. Home page. Let me go to the online store and go to open. Let me check for this category soccer. Now it loads the soccer category. This is done using external CSV file. This CSV file will also be provided by us upon client request. So all of the categories are getting loaded. As you can see, I only added like 3 categories name. Let me add another category called as camo, which is nothing but headwear category. So let me name it as camo and slash camo to be the dummy URL slug for that. Okay, so let me save these menu changes. Now let me go back and once again load my home page. You see, it still does not get seen the camo category. Like in 1 minute or half a minute, it will just get loaded. Like I said, the URL redirection take place. It takes around 1.5 minutes on Shopify. So now the camo category appears. Now it's supposed to load the camo headwear category product data. So let us see. Yeah, it does loads.